Welcome to Rentgine's video tutorial series. In our videos, we will show you how to use Rentgine, which is a car rental software designed for businesses. Our car rental software helps you manage your fleet, staff, and customers in one place. In this video, you will learn how to create documents, templates, and signatures in Rentgine. First, let's create a document template as an example. Go to Settings and then Document Templates. Here you see all of your existing document templates, which you can edit, copy, or delete. To create a new one, click the New Document Template button. A new window will open where you can edit your template. Here you will find 3 tabs: Home, Insert, and Page Layout. The editor allows you to customize the document completely to your liking. Now let's create a template for vehicle returns. Give the template a name and select its language. Under the language section, you can choose a vehicle for which you want to create this as a separate template. This way, the template will only be applicable to that specific vehicle. For this vehicle return template, leave this field empty so the template applies to all vehicles. Feel free to type up the text of the template or simply load it from a Word file if you already have one. Click on Load from Word File, browse, and select the desired document from your computer. Then click Upload. Now you can set up your template for automated document filling by inserting merge fields in the document. In simple terms, merge fields are like placeholders that allow you to automatically insert custom information into documents, making it easy to create multiple customized copies without having to manually type or copy-paste the information every time. For example, if you click next to the rental number and click on the Insert Merge Field button, then insert the rental number option. Whenever you use this template for a rental, the specific rental number will show up instead of this placeholder. However, keep in mind that you cannot simply copy and paste these merge fields within the document. You have to use the Insert Merge Field button, otherwise this feature will not work. The same rules apply to the other fields, including merge fields for checklist questions and answers. Click in the document where you want to have checklist questions and answers. Click Insert Merge Field. Select the desired question and answer fields from the options and insert them. However, you can only do so if you have already created checklists and checklist questions in your system. To find out more about checklists and checklist questions, watch our video on this topic. Another useful feature is the Insert Drawing button. Using this, a schematic image will show up with the indicated damages concerning the rental. You can upload your own schematic images in the Vehicles tab. In the case of the vehicle return template, choose the drawing indicating the return damages. Again, keep in mind that you have to draw in the damages first on the specific rental, and only then can you make use of this feature when creating documents. Finally, let's look at how you can insert fields for electronic signatures. Click Insert Signature Location. Here you will see several options that you can make use of: company, customer, driver 1, driver 2, delivering colleague, returning colleague, but for now, select company to insert a signature location for your rental company. Drag it to the desired place and adjust its size as needed. Repeat this process, but this time choose the customer option. Let's save the new template. It will appear among the existing document templates. Now that you have a document template, let's see how you can create a document using the template. Open a rental for which you have already filled out the necessary information, completed the return checklist, and indicated the damages. Click on Create Document, and you will see all your applicable documents. Select the Vehicle Return template. Rentgine's document editor will appear pre-filled with all the specific information for this rental, thanks to the automated document filling feature. Please note that only the data that have a merge field in the document template will appear. In this case, you will see the rental number, the schematic drawing with the indicated damage, the checklist question and answer, as well as the spaces for the electronic signatures. The spaces provided for electronic signatures allow both you and your customer to sign the document using a tablet. For example, to sign the document on behalf of your company, click on Sign and choose Company. Sign the document and save the signature. If you don't have a tablet available to hand over to your customer, you can send the document via email and have the customer sign it on their mobile phone instead. Now, click Sign, select Customer, and hand over your electronic device to your client. Save this signature as well. The editor provides options to download, print, or send the document via email. You will also find a signature timestamp button which lets you know the time of the signings. The saved document will now be listed among your existing documents. Go to the Documents tab. Here you can send the document via email, download it, or delete it. Additionally, you can sign the documents directly from this tab by clicking on the sign icon. Download the signed document and open it by using Adobe Acrobat Reader to see how your signed document and Rentgine's qualified signature look. A signature panel will appear which indicates the validity of the signatures. You can also click on one of the signatures, and a window will pop up with details concerning it. Click Signature Properties to learn more. Here you will see additional information about the document's timestamp, for example, and Rentgine's qualified electronic signature that complies with the eIDAS regulation of the EU. For more information concerning Rentgine's signature system, check out our blog post. If you don't have a Rentgine account yet, check out our subscription plans. For more information concerning the rental process, watch our other videos or visit our website at rentgine.net.